Hi everyone, so I've literally just got my iPhone 11 Pro Max in the midnight green colour. Sorry about this unboxing, I'm just using my iPhone 10 to film this, but let's just take a quick look at the device. Now obviously I've already opened the box because Apple put a screen protector on for me. So if I can actually get it out of the box. And there it is. Look at that. Great colour. Now I got the 256 gig model. Just because that's what they had and it's what my iPhone 10 is, and I've still got plenty of storage. So let's just take a quick look. So you get all your paperwork. No need to look at all that. Now you've got your fast charger, which they now actually include in the box. You've got your little earphones, no dongle, and your USB-C to Lightning, which is a bit better. Could have been USB-C to USB-C, but hey ho. So that's everything that comes in the box. I did get a couple of cases as well. So I got the Apple clear case, which is an open bottom case, which I'm not really that keen on, so I probably won't use it much. But there's that one, and then I got this Gear 4 case, which is a bit of a different tinted colour. But I will show these at another date, actually on the device. So anyway, that was probably the worst unboxing ever, but that was just a quick look at my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Definitely love the colour. Great colour. But anyway, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.